In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can customize the template. So let's go to File, Open Project. You can see the project file in the After Effects project file folder. Just open it. Okay, so now you can see here there are some folders, and there is an image over here which says delete this placeholder and replace it with your required image. So let's start with it. So let's go over here, replace images. Here in that folder, just open image 01. Okay, so here is the image. Just as it says delete this image, we'll be deleting the image. Okay, and it's gone. So now let's import some images from here. Just like drag and drop it in your import folder, and you can see the images over here. Now as you can see over here, just like take any image. I'll be taking this one, drag it and drop it over here, and you can see that the image is placed. So just make sure that while resizing the image, press the shift key so that the aspect ratio of the image is not disturbed. So now just see in the render comp, and you can now see that the first image is visible over here. So now let's move forward. You can just replace the other images in the same fashion. Now let's go to the last image, that is the main and final image. You can see, okay, you cannot see it over here. This is just because you have not moved the cursor to the right position. Okay, now the cursor is at the final image, and you can now see the image. So just delete this image from here. Let's go to the import folder, take any image and replace it over here. So this is the image. Let's like scale it down for something. Okay, so now it's scaled down. Okay, so you can now see the most of the image over here. Now as you have seen in the preview, this image just like dissolves, changes into a gray color, and then the camera comes from the up. So what you have to do is you have to just go to effects and presets, just type in fade over here, fade, and you will see a lot of effects over here, but we are going to deal with fade dip to black for here. It's from the transitions dissolve folder. Just drag and drop it onto the image, and you will see the image has turned black. Now click over here on the final image and press U so that you can see all the effects over here. Now make sure you change the color over here from white to 161616, which is a grayish color. Now let's move over here. These are called as keyframes. These are small yellow and silver diamonds. So now make sure your pointer is on the first keyframe. The transition completion is at 00%. You have to make it to 100 so that the image is seen over here. Now let's move it forward and make the pointer to 1%. Just make sure that the keyframe is at 1 second and in line with the pointer. Now make sure that the transition percent is changed to 0. So what happens over here is that this okay here it should be 100%, and when it goes to 1 it should be 0%. Okay, so now you can see it over here. It remains 200% till here, and from here it starts to fade out and it goes to 0%. So make sure you map black to also 1616. Okay, so now let's see it in the final render. So it stays over here, it then starts to dissolve into gray color, and then your camera pops up from the upside. So okay, this is done. Just close this, go to the project again over here. So this is done. Now just let me tell you how you can change your name. Just click on the change text here folder. You can see your name folder, your name composition over here. You will not be able to see your name just because this pointer is not at the right position. Okay, so your name is over here. Now you can see your name. just change it to any name you want. I will just change it to Jane Doe for now. Okay, so you can see the name has been changed. In a similar way, you can change the professional photographer. If you have any other thing in your mind, you can write it over here. Similar is the website. Okay, so let me show you how to change the website. So here is the website. You can change it to anything like www.example.com, and you can see it is being reflected over here. So for now, let's keep it as it was. I'm a photographer.com. So I think I've explained everything you will need to change in this video. So I think that's all for now, and thanks again for purchasing the template. Have a nice day. Bye.